what's going on. I know I wasn't speeding.
Oh, our seatbelts!
Listen to Ms. Hack. You don't need a seatbelt. You've been driving for over 40 years and you've never been in an accident.
I've been driving for over 40 years. I don't need no stinking seatbelt.
And you're young and strong. If ever you were in an accident, just tuck and roll.
Yeah, I don't need a seatbelt. I'll just tuck and roll.
1 item 12 to base, 1 item 12 to base. We need VPP man, ASAP.
Hold on, eager drivers, it's VPP Man. Don't fall victim to this mishap. Did you know that safety belts are the most effective way to stay safe in a vehicle? And besides, it's the law.
Foiled by VPP Man again!
Oh, safety boy!
Loose belts, VPP man! Let me help! I'll help you too. Stay safe!
Remember, mishaps lurk wherever you are.
Don't always rely on Safety Boy or VPP Man to help you out.
Whether on or off duty, VPP is everyone's responsibility.